In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete Google Workspace account. First thing you need to do is to go to admin.google.com. Log in with your Google Workspace admin credentials. From the admin console homepage, click Users. Find and click on the user you want to delete, then on the Users page, click More, then Delete User. You will now see a data transfer option. If you want to transfer the user's Drive and Docs, calendar, or Gmail content, if applicable. Use the search for a user box to choose a recipient, and if you don't want to transfer any data, select Don't Transfer Data. Now click the blue Delete User button in the bottom right corner. This permanently removes the user, and bill-in for that user will stop immediately. For example, you'll save $7.20 per month per deleted account. And once done, that user's access to Google Workspace services is revoked, and if no data was transferred, their files and emails will eventually be deleted.